Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. It is the 18th of the month, and that means it's time for our jewelry making fun collab. This collab for jewelry is sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs. And thank you, Deb, for the opportunity to always showcase jewelry and use the special colors that you provided for everybody to use and everything. Thank you for that. And then please watch at the end of the video, there's a description that has all of the other wonderful creators that are participating in the Jewelry Making Fun collab. Please watch their videos and see what beautiful creations they have come up with too. Okay, so it's February 18th, and the color theme is sort of like into pinks and reds this time. So we could use hot pink, light or dark, raspberry, like purpley pink, red or darker, imperial red, or auburn. Those are the colors. And then optional challenge 1, we could use rose quartz, morganite, a dyed halide or magnesite, or we could use raspberry, like rhodonite, or purpley dyed gemstone, garnet, red agate, carnelian, or red jasper. So with that challenge, we could use different gemstones. And with the last optional challenge, you can make a bracelet and earring set. You can make it about Valentine's or love if you want to, but not necessary. So those were the parameters to work around this time. And I'll show you what I've got. So I stuck with earrings this time. I think I'll start with the dangling earrings. These are purpley colored, and it is the howlite bead, that purpley color right there. They're dyed. There's a charm on the bottom, a flower charm on the bottom, and 4 Hippie beads that are like that howlite texture or gemstone, and there's a silver bead on top. And it came up with that look, just little flower dangles. And then I've got some, and I wanted to show those because of that red, that pretty like raspberry color red in there. There are a few of these, that red color. It's very pretty. I didn't have a whole set of that. It came with a set of like, these are jasper beads, but there's yellows and browns too. So it's not all of the raspberry color, but I wanted to show these because I do like that, the ones that are that pretty raspberry color. So some more dangles with some gemstones and gemstone clusters, and each cluster has 2 of the jasper beads. So I have those. Then I have just some seed bead earrings. I played on the different kinds of pinks here. There's a hot pink, a very light pink. There's kind of a pearl color in there, and then also some silver seed beads. So these are 40 millimeters. They're kind of large. And then I have a couple that are the size down, the 35 millimeter. This is called, wow, I can't remember the name of the seed bead on the box, but this is it's a hot pink color. This one I do remember. That one is called watermelon, and I really have fallen in love with that pink called watermelon. And then I've got this pair. These are red Picasso beads. They're called garnet. I think that's like what the description on the tube is. And so this time, instead of silver toned ear wires, these are like antique bronze colored, and so it's a nice, it kind of goes nice with that red, just a different color. So that's what I've got this time for the Valentine's color theme. Different shades of pink and red. A couple of pairs where I used my gemstones and little dangles. And yeah, this time I kind of stuck with my earrings. Hopefully next time we'll get into maybe necklaces or a set. So thank you. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and you learned something maybe about me or our challenge. And I hope you watch all of the wonderful creators that are in the description below after me. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.